As you may already know, light is getting more expensive, and Vila TV wants to give you some tips to reduce your light spending. First, you have to know that your apartment is 100% electric, and therefore the new light usage rates are of your interest. The cheapest hours are from 12 am to 8 pm on the whole weekend. Make sure you use the appliances that use more energy at those hours. During the week, from 8 to 10 am, from 2 to 6 pm, and from 10 to 12 pm, you've got the flat rate. It is a good time for cooking or doing your dishes. Last, you've got the most expensive hours, from 10 am to 2 pm, and from 6 to 10 pm, only during weekdays though. It is important to use these rates wisely. Depending on what time of the day you turn on the lights, electricity fares can fluctuate a lot. The most expensive hours can cost you twice as much as the cheapest rate hours. Real light prices change every hour, and sometimes they may not follow this pattern. You can look for real prices on web pages such as tarifaluz.es. Now that we know it is important to use less energy, let's talk about how to do it. Warming your apartment up makes you use the most energy. Optimizing how you use your heating is simple and can save you lots of kilowatts. Take advantage of sunlight. Pull up the blinds in the morning and down when the sun sets. Make sure that heat doesn't escape. You don't need to use your heating at top rate. If you put on some warm clothes when being home, you will be able to lower the heating and use less energy. Warm water also uses a lot of energy. You can save energy if you save water too. Don't sing in the shower and make sure the tap is closed when putting on soap. In the kitchen, make sure ice doesn't invade your freezer. You can also use the remaining heat of your kitchenette to cook something. Consider that microwave is also the most efficient way to heat your meal up. Spending less is easy, you only have to want it.